Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a quiz on Quizlet. So let's get straight into it. For that, I will create a new folder. So let's go here to the new folder on the left side, and I will type in quiz, create, just like that. Okay. And now what I'm going to do, I will here start building some. So create new one and flashcard set, just like that. I will quiz right here, and now let me put in some questions and answers. Okay, so now I have put in these questions and answers, just like that. I can also add basically multiple choice options. So as you can see here, I can put in uh, more option, but I won't do that right now, but you can see that we can do that. Now what you need to do is you just now hit the create button or create and practice. So in this video I just want to show you how to create a quiz. So um, so we will do now, so create a practice right here. We will claim for test. Okay, start learn. And yeah, what is the only food that can never go bad? Let's go with that one. How many bones do sharks have? 0. This one, and then we have uh, that one. And yeah, this is basically it. And I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next